and welcome back to Vinny's Educare. Today I have come with almost 30 questions from the chapter The Enemy. അപ്പോൾ അധികം സമയം കളയാണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ഓരോ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നോക്കാം. The first question, who is the author of the lesson The Enemy? The correct answer is Pearl S. Buck. Second question, who was Dr. Sadao? Dr. Sadao was an American doctor, a Japanese doctor, an Iranian doctor, a secret agent from China. The correct answer is a Japanese doctor. Why did Sadao treat the soldier when he was from enemy's nationality? Why? Because he was following the ethic of his profession. At what age did Dr. Sadao go to America? He went to America at the age of 22. Why did Dr. Sadao marry a Japanese girl only? Because he did not want to upset his father. What kind of person Dr. Sadao's father was? He was a great patriot and traditional person. How many years did Dr. Sadao live in America? He went at the age of 22 and he came back at the age of 30. That means he lived in America for almost 8 years. Where did Dr. Sadao meet Hannah? Dr. Sadao met Hannah at Professor Harley's house in America. How many children did Sadao have? He had 2 children. How did Hannah help Dr. Sadao? By assisting as a nurse. Why did Dr. Sadao's wife feel distressed during the soldier's surgery, seeing the white man's blood? Why did Hannah wash the wounded man herself? Because her servants refused to help an enemy soldier. Why did the servants refuse to help? Because he was an enemy soldier. What for did the messenger come to Dr. Sadao? To inform about the general's serious condition, as the general was unwell. What conflicting ideas disturbed Dr. Sadao's mind after he brought American soldier? Duty of a doctor and loyalty towards nation, the fourth option. How did Dr. Sadao emerge successfully out of all the conflicts? He decided to follow the ethics of a doctor over anything else. Seeing the messenger, what did Hannah presume? Hannah thought that he has come to arrest her husband. Why did the general not pass orders to arrest Dr. Sadao for giving shelter to an American soldier? Why? Because general was not in good health and needed Sadao's services. What kind of person this general was? He was actually a selfish but considerate man. Why did general spare the white American soldier? Because he did not want to create troubles for Dr. Sadao. What was general's plan for the wounded American soldier? His plan was to get him assassinated by his personal assassins. How did Dr. Sadao get rid of the American soldier? Equipped him with bare necessities and let him escape. Why was Dr. Sadao not sent to the battlefield? He was supposed to render his services to the general and he was also doing a discovery about how the wounds can be healed quickly. Why did Dr. Sadao give a flashlight to the enemy soldier? So that he could send him signal in case of any distress. How did Dr. Sadao ensure that the American soldier had escaped to safety? By seeing no flashlight signals for 2 days. Why did the servants abandon Dr. Sadau's household? Because an American soldier was sheltered in the house. What idea do you form of Dr. Sadao after reading the lesson? A true doctor and a human being. Why did Dr. Sadao go to America? To study surgery and medicine. What does this chapter revolve around? War between Japan and America. The last question, what does the narrator speak about in the beginning of the chapter? In the beginning of the chapter, the narrator is speaking about Dr. Sadao's childhood and his father. Right? So I think almost all the important questions have been covered in this MCQ. Thank you for watching. Keep waiting for my next video. Bye bye.